Hello everybody, I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. This week, we're having a dinosaur extravaganza. Wait, doesn't that mean you should be in here, Dad? I was only kidding.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey, bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
Today is Thanksgiving here in the United States, and what I'm really thankful for are my subscribers. So, if you're not already subscribed, make me even more thankful and click that subscribe button now. These two models are the Flexi-Stego, designed by SamRecio. These two are the Flexi Raptor, designed by Cavedog. Both on Thingiverse, both will have a link in the description. All four of these were printed with a 210-degree nozzle. All of these were printed with a 60-degree bed, except this one. And all of these were printed with a 0.2 layer height. These two were printed on the Prusa MK2.5. This one was printed in 3D Solutech, and this one was printed in RhinoReel. This red one was printed on the AM8 with AIO Robotics, and this little raptor was printed on the FK1 using 3D Solutech. Let's first talk about this Stego. This Stego was fairly easy to print, and it came with built-in supports for the spikes. The supports came off easily, but it did leave little bits of marks. But this model articulates very well. Now let's talk about the Flexi Raptors, or in this case, the not-so-Flexi Raptor. This smaller one was printed on the bigger FK1, and this one was printed on the smaller Prusa. This one was printed at 100% and it doesn't articulate at all because the FK1 still needs some dialing in. Now this one, at the point we were about to print it on the Prusa, we decided to scale it up to 150% and it articulates fantastically. I really like these models. Even the non-Flexi Raptor is really cool. And I would have a lot of fun with these, and Zach's going to have even more fun with these. Like I said, it's Thanksgiving here in the United States, and I tried to find something Thanksgiving related, but there wasn't really anything amazing, so it's a dinosaur Thanksgiving. And I hope you're having an amazing Thanksgiving if you're in the United States. I'm thankful for you tuning into this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Until next week, as always, print on. Hey everyone, so what kind of bee makes milk? Boobies. Hey everyone, so what did the horse say when it fell? I've fallen and I can't giddy up.